Alright, today's October 3rd, it's Monday, and they've got finished up everything for inspection. So that's the two pipes coming out there for the gas, and the backwash goes all the way down there. So we have our firing stub out. Right there. We have all of the other plumbing piped in, connected together, ready for pressurized. Well, actually it is pressurized. So they have a skimmer, autofill, all the other returns. It's going to be the waterfall, water that's going to be the returns. And we have all of the plumbing for the spa done. So they also have the light. That's the electrical for the light. It's right down there. I'll show it to you in a minute. We have all the rebar for the step, or the little seat that's going to go around. So you can see how the water from the spa is going to fall down into the pool. We have all this rebar in here. It's like a battleship now. So you got the electrical grounding. That's a little light for in the spa. All of that's done. They got a grounding rod over there for the shelf. And the slide's going to be coming in between the spa and that rebar sticking up. So the other crew is going to come in and build that whole cage. I'm going to go from the top here to give you a good view. So that's all spa stuff. And there's the light. We have a gas line stubbed out down here for future stuff behind the pool. Tomorrow they're going to have inspection, or the next day, and then they'll backfill, start getting the other stuff, rebar put in. This is the manifold. They pressurize everything, and all the pipes will be cut down lower to go into the pumps and everything on the ground. That is a lot of pipes. That's the water. It's going to tie into my water connection there for the autofill and fountain, or the sprinklers and such. Alright, so that's our pool today. Coming along. And I'll show you after it's all backfilled and the the slide and the other formations are done. Thanks for watching.